How to add backgrounds in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open a new or existing design where you want to add a background. Next, on the left hand panel, click on the Elements button. In the source bar, type background and hit enter. Canva will display a variety of pre-designed background options including colors, gradient, patterns, textures and images. Click on the background you want and it will automatically be applied to your design canvas. You can also drag and drop your own images from the Uploads panel to use them as a custom background. After adding a background, you can adjust it by resizing, cropping or applying filters. You can also layer other elements, text and images on top of your background to create a more professional look. For more creativity, try combining different backgrounds with transparency effect, gradient or overlays to make your design unique and visually appealing. Now you know how to add backgrounds in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.